In this tutorial, I will show you how to add your WHMCS product or service to your Zomix WHMCS template. You must first create the product or service you would like to provide within WHMCS under the Products/Services page. Using WHMCS, you can provide any product or service you like, including automated web hosting services, templates, licensed software, web design services, and more. Before moving on to the tutorial, I should mention that our templates also support a quick setup option, which will instantly display your WHMCS setup products/services within the template. However, using the sale pages shown in this tutorial will allow you to better display your products/services, including better SEO. The template is kept separate from WHMCS itself. So once you have created a product or service within WHMCS, you must then add it to the template sales page, allowing your customers to view and order. The biggest benefit of using our templates is that they support multiple display options, including pricing tables, feature boxes, and sliders. I have created a shared hosting plan within WHMCS named Bronze. If you are unsure how to add a service within WHMCS, please refer to their documentation. The process will vary slightly depending on which product or service you wish to provide. All of our templates have a default page named Web Hosting, which is perfect for displaying this plan. Let's access it within the front end to view the default dummy plans. We can edit these plans within Wizard Panel, which is our exclusive built-in settings area. Head to your WHMCS admin area and click on Wizard Panel under the add-ons menu, then click on the Shared Hosting tab. Let's cycle through some of the display options to show you the many ways you can use to display your services. I will go ahead and use the table layout to change the plans to 1 for the sake of this tutorial. All we need to do to add the plan is match the plan setup in WHMCS. Our templates do a much better job of displaying plans than WHMCS alone. We have the ability to define every specific feature of our plan. As a minimum, I recommend adding the plan name, pricing, and edit the order button to link to your WHMCS cart. Our plan name is Bronze and we set the price to $9.99 per month. The final step is to link the order button of the plan to the correct WHMCS order URL. Click on the Links tab. Copy the direct shopping cart link and paste it as the button URL. We can also add all the features in here and leave some blank if you wish to remove some content. I set the disk space to 50 GB and bandwidth to 100 GB, so let's customize the default. Save changes and refresh the web hosting page. As you can see, all of our plan information is there, including name, specs, and pricing. To check that everything is working, click on the Order Now button. The Order button is now linking directly to the Bronze plan set up in WHMCS. This makes the page ready for real clients to view and create their order on your website. Our templates display your products or services in a professional and detailed way. As soon as the user clicks the Order Now button, WHMCS takes over. So all of the features and functionality you set for the plan in WHMCS apply. If you have multiple currencies, product add-ons, configurations, custom fields, etc., it will all be handled by WHMCS during the checkout process. This video is brought to you by Zomix. At Zomix, we have been providing premium WHMCS themes and configuration services since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider making a small donation to the channel via the description of this video. Donations are much appreciated and will allow us to increase the quality and frequency of videos.